So as you may or may not be aware, RJR has changed the backend processing of their scan data to Circana. What does this mean for you? Hey there, I'm Zack with FasTrax, here with some updated information about RJR's retail scan data program changes. So as you may or may not be aware, RJR has changed the backend processing of their scan data to Circana. What does this mean for you? Well, not much really. So just know that we support this on both our cloud and on-premise offerings. If your RJR representative has reached out to you about making this change, it's pretty simple to do. From your scan data report setup screen, you'll see the new option for Circana as the provider. Choose it, enter your submitter ID and outlet name provided to you from RJR, and then you'll also want to update the FTP information. This will be the site, username, and password to the details given to you by Circana. So that's it. From a technical side, the raw data format itself stayed the same. The only changes were the file naming convention and some FTP details, like the site and the production versus testing folders. So hopefully that sheds some light on this change from RJR, and you can rest assured that we support it. Until next time, take care.